Good afternoon to all the participants and teachers who have joined us for the prize distribution of state level poster competition organized by Department of Botany and Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Shri Mantradas Mohta College of Science, Nagpur. I wholeheartedly welcome our Vice Principal and IQAC Coordinator, Dr. Reena Saha Madam, Head Department of Botany, Dr. Ashwajit Fulzile, staff members and student participants from various regions of Maharashtra. Now for the introductory remark, I invite Dr. Fulzile, Head Department of Botany.
Good afternoon, students. Respected Vice Principal Dr. Reena Saha, teachers and students. I am very delighted to welcome you for this prize distribution ceremony that we have organized for the Science Day celebration. It was an activity which was primarily aimed to understand what are the implications of new technology on teaching and learning. And due to this COVID pandemic, we know we all suddenly have been pushed into such a kind of a technological adjustment. So we were also interested to see whether the students are able to cope up with such type of topics when we present for such poster competition. I express my thanks to all such participants who have actively participated and sent their posters for this competition. We have received entries from various universities of Maharashtra. My special thanks to the teachers who have guided such to their students to prepare for these presentations. We know, students, some of you will receive prizes and some will not. But we know our main aim was to inculcate scientific aptitudes and provide a kind of a platform for the student to express their creativity. So definitely those who will receive awards, they will be very much happy, but those who will not, they should not be feel any kind of a bad, because they have not only contributed to this activity by active participation, but also they have learned many things regarding such a new topic of technology and teaching. My special thanks to our principal, sir, Dr. Jeevan Dontulwar, who not only encourage us to organize such activities and also provide a financial help. We know today we are having with us Dr. Reena Saha ma'am, our vice principal, who always stood behind us to organize such kind of activities throughout the years under various headings. So we know that to organize such type of programs, it needs cooperation of all the teachers. We know teachers of botany departments like Savanya ma'am, Shamli ma'am, then Manisha ma'am, Sheetal ma'am, all they have contributed somehow to organize this activity. My special thanks to Shamli Khadatkar ma'am, because she organized very successfully this program. And once again, I express my thanks to all the students and like to end my talk. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. And indeed, you have always been a motivation for the staff members of our department and have always encouraged us to organize these events. So this competition was organized in association with Association of Teachers in Biological Sciences on the occasion of National Science Day. Since 1987, National Science Day is celebrated every year on February 28 to mark the discovery of Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman. And for this discovery, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1950. To popularize science and make citizens aware about the latest technological advances, every year a theme is decided. The theme for 2021 is Future of Science, Technology and Innovation, and its impact on education, skills, and work. This COVID-19 pandemic has created such conditions where we have become dependent on online sources for teaching, learning, for working, or even for acquiring new skills. And this has also provided us with an opportunity to easily interact with each other without being in physical contact. And for this, we should be indeed thankful to the scientists and innovators. Keeping in view the theme, the students had the choice to prepare poster on any one of the three topics. We received good response, and the posters were indeed a representation of thoughts from students' perspective. We received maximum entries from Anand Niketan College, Varora. I'm thankful to Dr. Rupali Mahakhode, Assistant Professor at Shivaji Science College, Nagpur, and Mr. Shrikant Borkar, Assistant Professor at Government Institute of Science, Nagpur, who judged the posters, and they had a difficult time. Now, for addressing the participants and declaring the winners, I invite our IQAC Coordinator and Vice Principal, Dr. Reena Saha.
Thank you, Shamli. I welcome you all as an IQAC coordinator and vice principal of this college. I feel delighted and honored to have been given this opportunity for announcing the prizes of this state level online poster competition, which was organized in association with the Association of Teachers in Biological Sciences. Me and Dr. Fulgire both are members of this association, and I'm feeling really very high that we could collaborate for this activity with the association. This year, as Shamli has rightly said, that this year that Science Day celebration theme was related to the future of science, technology, and innovation, and its impact on education, skill, and work. And the posters, the theme of the poster was given like that. I am given the responsibility of announcing the prizes. There are two consolation prizes. First prize goes to Bhumika Yadav of BSc Semester 3 of our college, that is Mathura Das Mohta College of Science. Her topic was Impact of Science, Technology and Innovation on Work. Second consolation prize goes to Pratiksha Nandakishore Kayarkar, who is student of PG Semester 1 from Anand Niketan College of Varora. She also selected the same topic, Impact of Science, Technology and Innovation on Education. Now, third prize, I am going backward. Third prize goes to Sakshi Dhananjay Giri Kunje of MSc Botany, I think, MSc Semester 1. She has also, she has selected the topic Impact of Science, Technology and Innovation on Education. I would like to see how they have drawn their posters.
The presentation.
Okay. Then second prize goes to Sharvari Avinash Manikuar of BSc Semester 5 of Ambedkar College. Clap for her. Her topic was Impact of Science, Technology and Innovation on Work. And the first prize goes to Saima Abdul Hamid Desai of BSc Semester 2 of Bhavans College of Mumbai. She has selected the topic Impact of Science, Technology and Innovation on Education. So most of them have selected education and work. Nobody has selected on skills. Anyway, so I'm very happy that this many entries were received, and the judges had a tough time to take out the winners. I am really very proud about the activities undertaken by Botany Department. We consider our Botany Department as a star department. They do not leave any opportunity to participate and highlight the activities, and whole staff is very zealous and hardworking, and the new entries in form of Sheetal and Manisha, who are faculties teaching botany PG classes, both are also very active, and they last but not the least, we are proud to have Shamli with us as a very good resource person for conducting not the only of Department of Botany, but each and every activity of the whole college. So I wish my wholehearted greetings and wishes to her that she should continue working for the department and for the college. And here I conclude, and I over to here the function is. I will request Sham.
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to all the participants and winners. All participants should note that a link for feedback will be shared, and on successful submission, the certificates would be generated. So kindly remember to submit your feedback. Now, not all participants have joined, so I'll be sharing the feedback link either through the emails or on the WhatsApp group. The prize winners should know that the cash prizes that we would be giving would be credited to their bank account, and we'll contact the student for acquiring the details. So the first prize winner would be getting the award of 1,000 rupees, followed by 750 to the second, and third and the consolation prizes will be getting the 500 rupees as an award individually. Once again, I'm thankful to all the participants. It was your contribution which made the event a success. I express my gratitude to the teachers from various colleges who motivated the students to participate. I'm grateful to principal and vice principal for encouraging us to organize multitude of such programs. Lastly, I acknowledge the support rendered by all staff members of Botany Department and conclude the event. Thank you so much.